Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will delve into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on the 29th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has categorized Amazon as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.48%. This translates to an average return of 0.24% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and horizontal trend. This situation typically presents a good opportunity for selling. However, if the price breaks through the upper trend line at 211.84, it will signal a strong buying opportunity, suggesting a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 1.26% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 17.06% to positive 4.28%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects an 11.51% change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 7.77% to positive 35.67% over the next year. In practical terms, this forecasts a future price between 189.71 and 279.7. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Amazon stock after gaining approximately 0.5%. The Amazon stock price increased by approximately 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025. It rose from $204.72 to $205.70. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.24%, reaching a low of $204.24 and a high of $208.81. Over this period, the price has experienced some ups and downs, resulting in a loss of approximately 2.16% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 7 million more shares were traded than the day before, leading to a cumulative volume of 34 million shares, valued at approximately $7 billion and $50 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price stands 15.18%, or $36.82, below the 52-week high and 84.24%, or $1,099.50, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon has made significant strides in the artificial intelligence sector with the recent announcement of a multi-year licensing agreement with the New York Times. This partnership will allow Amazon to integrate editorial content from the Times into various customer experiences, particularly enhancing platforms like Alexa. Such a move not only bolsters Amazon's AI capabilities, but positions it as a key player in content-driven experiences, likely attracting more users and increasing engagement, which can positively influence stock prices in the short term. Additionally, Amazon is tapping industry veteran Jay Allard, co-founder of Xbox, to lead a new team focused on innovative consumer products. This initiative signals Amazon's commitment to diversifying its product offerings and potentially capturing significant market share in emerging technology segments, which could also be a catalyst for long-term growth. Furthermore, analysts point out that Amazon is currently one of the cheapest trillion-dollar stocks, suggesting a potential undervaluation in the market. As the company continues to explore new profit avenues beyond its traditional strengths in Amazon Web Services and advertising, it could see a favorable adjustment in its stock value. Overall, these developments suggest a solid outlook for Amazon. with both immediate and long-term positive implications for its stock price. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned a buy rating to Amazon with a hold action. On the same day, JMP Securities also rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. Additionally, Tigris Financial provided a buy rating for Amazon, accompanied by a hold action. Earlier on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Amazon a hold rating, maintaining a hold action. On that same Friday, Goldman Sachs rated Amazon with a buy and a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $203.67 and $192.01. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. The volume of shares traded is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 2.68%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 26 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.57 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.24%. Over the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. Additionally, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report sit at $1.34. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $208.36. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds firm, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Harrington Douglas J., who bought and sold 23,950 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 68.067. Overall, insiders acquired 243,235 shares and divested 1,306,102 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $197.14, reflecting a decrease of 4.16%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate a positive outlook, suggesting that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems identify that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of May, we expect Amazon to open higher by 551 thousandths of a dollar and start trading at $206.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your price target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.